friends, this is a short video, step-by-step guidance how to use your morning routine when you're using anti-aging kit. You always want to start from cleanser and toner. Your toner, please remember to shake it. And after the toner, there is Nano Bliss eye cream. So take just a little bit and just tap it underneath your eyes. After eye cream, here is your morning serum, Aqua Glow Booster. It's a plant-driven hyaluronic acid. So after eye cream, apply couple drops of Aqua Glow Booster directly to your skin. It will plump your skin, provide hydration, and also help with fine lines and wrinkles and give you an amazing glow. After that serum, please analyze your skin. If your skin is more dry, I would recommend you to apply Super Berry Cream and then apply sunscreen SPF 50. But if your skin is combination or close to oily, please skip Super Berry Cream and please apply SPF 50 mineral sunscreen right after Aqua Glow Booster. Remember to take this sunscreen spray with you when you go out and drive and doing your errands, and please reapply every 2.5 hours. Please remember, if sunscreen is SPF 30, it will work only 1.5 hours. If sunscreen is SPF 50, it will work 2.5 hours. There is no other sunscreen in the world that will work more than 2.5 hours. When you use such active ingredients, it creates a tendency in your skin to get a pigmentation if your skin is not protected with sunscreen. Creates a tendency to get sunspots if your skin is not protected with sunscreen. So reapplication of sunscreen is extremely important. Have your sunscreen with you, just spray all over your face, stay protective and enjoy your glowing skin.